Here are 5 gender-neutral side hustles high school students can do with a lawnmower, each with detailed descriptions and estimated earnings. Disclaimer: some of the jobs, gigs, or opportunities mentioned may require participants to be at least 18 years old. Always check specific requirements before applying. There are no guarantees of income, and individual results may vary based on effort, experience, and other factors. Please use caution and good judgment when exploring any opportunity. Your safety and well-being come first. Always verify legitimacy and never share personal information unless you're sure the source is trustworthy. Also, before I forget, I am not a real girl. I generated. Number 1. Neighborhood lawn care service. What it is. Offer regular lawn mowing, edging, and light cleanup services, like bagging clippings or leaf blowing, to neighbors. You can set up weekly, bi-weekly, or on-demand appointments. Estimated earnings: $25 to $50 per lawn. Standard on quarter to half-acre yard. $100–300 per week, if you mow 4 to 6 lawns. In a summer season, 10 to 12 weeks, $1,000 to $3,500. Bonus tip: offer a small discount for regular customers to build a client base fast. Number 2. Vacation mowing, for traveling families. What it is. Many families go on summer trips and need someone to mow their lawn while they're away. Offer a temporary service that keeps their yard neat during vacations. Estimated earnings: $30 to $60 per job. One-time rate or short-term package. $150 to $500 plus per month depending on how many families travel. Bonus tip: partner with neighborhood Facebook groups or next door to advertise before major holiday weekends. Number 3. Curb appeal, cleanup for home sellers or renters. What it is. Offer a curb appeal service that includes mowing, trimming, weed eating, and clean up the yard to make homes look good for photos or showings. Perfect for real estate agents or landlords. Estimated earnings: $50 to $100 plus per job. Higher because it's one-time and detailed. 2 to 3 jobs a week can earn $300 to $900 per month. Bonus tips: take, before and after. Pictures to show off your work when advertising. Number 4. Elderly or disabled resident discount mowing. What it is. Offer affordable and reliable lawn care to seniors or people with mobility issues. This service is often deeply appreciated and can turn into long-term weekly work. Estimated earnings: $20 to $40 per lawn. Discounted rate: $80 to $160 per week. For regular customers, $800 to $2,000 plus per season. Bonus tip: create flyers with tear-off tabs and leave them at local churches, senior centers, or grocery store bulletin boards. Number 5. Lawn mowing subscription plan. What it is. Create a monthly subscription plan that offers a set number of mows per month for a fixed fee, e.g., 4 mows for $120 a month. It simplifies scheduling and helps you predict income. Estimated earnings: $100 to $150 per household per month. 5 subscribers equals $500 to $750 monthly. Great for building consistent summer income. Bonus tip: offer free first mow or referral discounts to grow your subscriber base. Extra advice: always track expenses, gas, oil, maintenance. Be polite, professional, and punctual. This builds trust fast. Create a simple logo or business card to appear more legit.